This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Stacy Hyatt. Affordable and spacious family home located on a flat lot inside Sylva City limits. Close to hospital, downtown, and all the amenities Sylva and surrounding areas have to offer. This on-frame modular has an open floor plan, a huge kitchen with an island and breakfast bar, eat-in area, a split plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The large primary bedroom offers an ensuite with a garden tub and a walk-in closet. Newer floors in all bedrooms and hallway. Very nice level yard with a big beautiful shade tree. Plenty of space for a garden. Also has several native trees and plants including blackberry and blueberry bushes. Easy year-round access and located in a family-friendly neighborhood. Schedule your appointment today before it is gone. For more information